Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to create a Excel formula for counting days or numbers, so we can know how many days remaining for a particular date. So here I put my passport expiry date here and wedding anniversary here, visit visa expiry date and project on deadline here. So firstly I will make a equation here is equal to today and click on the today and click enter. So you can see today's date here. It is because whenever you open the Excel it will update the date to that days, so you have to put today's date here is equal to today. After that, here you want how many days remaining here, so I will put is equal to expiry date or due date minus today's date. So you can see how many days remaining. So here 346 days remaining for expiry of my passport. After that, again I want to know how many days remaining for my wedding anniversary, so I will put is equal to today's date here. After that, from here I will do is equal to the anniversary date minus today's date. So you can see 323 days for remaining for my anniversary. Same like that you can do today, and here is equal to visit visa expiry date minus today's date. 351 days remaining for expiry date, and here I will put today, click enter, and here is equal to deadline day minus today's date. So 3 days is remaining. So important thing is that on today's date you have to put equation is equal to today, because every time you open the Excel sheet it will show up to date dates.